So now, Ivdu es Hashem takes on a whole new meaning. How are you serving him by doing what's best for you? Because you accepted his good advice? We've replaced him. He has become our valet. He advises us, he guides us, he punishes us, he disciplines us, he blesses us. So that we're the center of his universe. We are serving him because his need is more real than ours. So why should you be mavatal your ratzon for his ratzon? Because his ratzon is more intense, more real, more necessary than mine.
So you're saying that you're doing God a favor when you serve him, basically.
Absolutely.
It's a big line, you know that, right?
Yes. And without...
Rabbi Friedman, being Mechadesh, we're coming up with this completely original thing. Nobody says, but let me tell you, you're doing God a favor when you serve him. He's not helping.
Once you get this idea, you find it everywhere. Everywhere. Beginning with Ivdu es Hashem.
Why Ivdu es Hashem? Why serve God? Why? Because that's the way for you to go to Gan Eden, to go at the end of your life. You want to be rewarded for everything you did in this world? Do you want the world to have a purpose? Is there a reason you're here? Serving God is the reason. Otherwise, what's the point of being here? It's for you. You're saying it's for him. But everyone else is saying it's for you. In order for you to have a reason to be in this world, you're serving God. But you're saying completely different.
No, I'm saying you're really serving God.
For him, not for you.
Yes.
Right.
Otherwise, you're not serving him.
Why not? Why?
Because you're doing it for you to get Gan Eden.
You are serving him at the same time. So what? You're doing two things at the same time.
How are you serving him?
By you following his commandments.
And that does what for him?
It's on some level, right? This is what gives him pleasure on some level, right? When you bring a sacrifice in the temple, this brings God, right? It gives him pleasure. How come? Why? We don't know, but that's what he wants. So if he says, serve me, I'm serving him, it gives him pleasure.
Okay,
that's what he wants.
The Mishnah says, don't do it for the reward.
Right.
Why? If I'm not doing it for the reward,
be altruistic.
What does altruistic mean?
Not for yourself. Be selfless.
Okay. Not for myself, but for
God. Right.
So Ivdu es Hashem.
But not because he needs it.
If he doesn't need it, you're not serving him.
You're serving him. You're doing it just because you believe in him, because you think he's the greatest. So you want to show how important you think he is, not because he needs it, because you love him so much that you want to give to him. So you're going to give to him, but not because he needs it.
But if he doesn't need
it... He doesn't need it, right? He doesn't need it. So what? You go give the president a gift. He needs your gift? No, he doesn't need your gift. He has everything in the world. He doesn't need your gift. But you give it to him as a show, as a token of appreciation, an admiration. He doesn't need it.
Does that do anything for him?